craziest bastards I've ever met in my life. I love everyone.
What's going on, you crazy bastards? You're back here for Sons of Wrestling, and after tonight's Raw, you got Roman Reigns and Vince McMahon clashing in the end. Vince McMahon knocks out the ref because he came in and counted the 3 count for Roman Reigns to retain his championship. And now you got Roman Reigns. He's going to be in the Royal Rumble, and it's to defend his WWE World Heavyweight Championship. Stipulations made by the chairman, Vince McMahon. So this is pretty cool. What do you guys think? It looks like you're gonna have the whole Wyatt family in there. Big Show Ryback. Ryback didn't officially announce it, but I don't see him having a match anywhere else. And then so Roman Reigns is gonna be versus 29 other people. If he shall come out of this, will be badass, and hopefully, like I say, it's going to be Brock Lesnar and Roman Reigns at WrestleMania. Hopefully so. Looks like Triple H, who knows when that feud's gonna, because he's gonna have to come back after Roman Reigns eventually. We all know that. Comment down here, what do you guys think? Triple H, when's that gonna take place? Fastlane, somewhere, or are they gonna stack the deck? If Reigns wins the Royal Rumble, will he get another match by, you know, maybe against Triple H or something, just to really kick his ass that night? Just a lot of odds out there, a lot of ideas floating around, and pretty cool day for, I mean, a lot of people shit all over the ending of Raw, but hey, it is what it is. And champ still Roman Reigns, and the crowd was about 80% Roman Reigns fans, so with the nothing for Sheamus. So guys, definitely really cool. And we didn't have John Cena this week. That makes people happy. Some people pissed. It is what it is. Comment down here, what do you think? What's the absence for John Cena? What's going on there? Yes, he's going to be there at SmackDown, so taping tomorrow, but why didn't he make any presence on Raw tonight? It was kind of odd. And hey, it is what it is, guys. Let me know what you thought of Raw down here, and get socially interactive with one another. Peace.